In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Brave notifications on PC. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the settings, how to block all notifications or allow only the ones you want, and how to make sure push notifications work reliably. Open Brave on your computer and head into the browser's settings. From there, go to Privacy and Security, then choose Site and Shield settings and select Notifications. This is the central place where Brave controls which sites can send you alerts. If you want a distraction-free setup, you can block notifications entirely, so websites can't prompt you at all. This is great if you're tired of constant permission requests or you're working and want a quiet browsing experience. If you prefer a more tailored approach, you can allow only specific sites you trust. On the notifications page, look for the list where you can add sites to allow or block. Adding a site to allow means it can send you alerts. Putting it in block prevents it from doing so. This approach keeps important updates like messages or critical account alerts coming through while everything else stays muted. If you ever change your mind about a site, simply remove it from the list and set it again the next time the site asks. For full functionality, especially for sites that rely on background push notifications, there's one more setting to confirm. In the address bar, type Brave /settings/privacy to open the privacy section directly. Find the option labeled Use Google Services for push messaging and make sure it's turned on. This enables the behind-the-scenes delivery system many websites use for push notifications. Without it, some sites may not be able to send alerts reliably even if you've allowed them. If privacy is your top priority and you don't need push notifications, you can keep this off, but be aware that certain notification features might not work as expected. A couple of quick tips as you fine-tune things. Be intentional about which sites you allow. Choose services where notifications truly help you. If a site becomes too noisy, move it to block rather than turning everything off so you keep useful alerts from other sites. And if something doesn't seem to work right after changing settings, reload the site and try again. That's it. You now know how to find Brave's notification controls, block everything if you want to, allow specific sites you trust, and enable Google's push messaging service for complete functionality. Set it up once and your notifications will match your preferences every time you browse.